Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're just briefly going to be talking about the Pundi X xwallet and how to withdraw your free NPXS tokens. As you guys know, if you actually go under the tab to see, I believe it says bonus or extras, you can actually get free NPXS tokens just for signing in daily. And I actually hit my 1,500, I think like 2-3 days ago, so I'm going to be cashing that out and showing you guys how to do that. So here we're just briefly going to go into our xwallet. And you basically want to make sure that you're doing this even if you're not there yet. You want to be making sure that you're getting your free Pundi X NPXS daily login tokens. And also just something to keep in mind as well is something that's going on lately, and I mean it has been going on for a while now, is phishing emails. So basically people will email you pretending to be part of the Pundi X team, asking you for your information. And basically this is something that you should probably already know by now. You never really want to share your password or login information with any website or any admin even asking you for it, because the reality of the thing is that most companies or just in general, they will never ask you for your login information because that is private. That is your own personal information. So anybody asking you for login information is most likely not going to be anyone working for whatever you're trying to get done. Just keep that in mind. But okay, you would basically go right here where it says extras, and you would go down and you would go to daily sign in, and that's how you would get your free NPXS, as well as it gives you a little bit of BTC and Ethereum as well. But basically, as you guys I'm pretty sure you guys know by now by the description of this that I have reached my 1,500. I'm actually at 1,526. And just to show you guys, just because somebody was asking me how you actually withdraw your tokens and if you're able to send them to any other exchange or a different wallet. So as you can see, let's go into coins. Right now I have 1,901 NPXS tokens. I don't know if you can see that clearly or not, but anyways, you would go back and then you would just go back to extras, right where you go to your daily sign in, and you would hit this withdraw button right here, which I'm doing right now, and it basically just asks you your minimal withdrawal amount, which is 1,500, and it wouldn't let you do this otherwise. So I'm gonna do withdraw to virtual card. And as you can see, everything was withdrawn. I'm just left with 26 NPXS. And now when I go right here, back to coins, now I have 2,501 NPXS tokens. So basically from here, I can pretty much do whatever I want with it. I can send them to a different wallet, which is, go to transfer, go to coin. Okay, well, you would have to select the virtual card for NPXS. Go to coin, then it shows you your NPXS right here. Then you would send it to whatever address. So basically, after you withdraw your free NPXS tokens that you accumulate through daily sign-in bonus through the xwallet app, then you can pretty much send it to anywhere. You can send it to Binance. You can send it to basically any other wallet that you may have. And that's just something to keep in mind. It's something pretty cool that they do, especially since not a lot of people do this. But there you guys have it. I know somebody asked me in one of my videos, they asked me if you could send this anywhere, and pretty much the answer to that is yes, which I answered in the comment in a reply as well. But there you guys have it. That's how you withdraw your free NPXS. And if you didn't know it by now, you can I'm pretty sure I've said it in some of my earlier videos, but you can claim daily NPXS for daily sign-in. I'm pretty sure I haven't done mine yet actually. So right there I click daily sign-in and I'm getting 26.9. so just hit OK, and then right here it starts to go back up. So now I have 53 NPXS tokens. You have to reach the 1,500 in order to get that, and then your ETH and BTC. But anyways, that pretty much does it for this video. So if you guys have any suggestions, any comments, anything you would like to see covered in my next video, whether it be Pundi X or any other cryptocurrency related topics, then just leave it in the comments below and I'll get right to it. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoy daily Pundi X videos, daily crypto videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.